Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your swimming pool and felt like it was missing that lush, luxurious sparkle? A pool without the right surrounding greenery can often look cold, stark, and unfinished. But choose the wrong plants and you'll find yourself dealing with constant leaf debris clogging your filters, aggressive roots damaging your concrete, or invasive pests ruining your afternoon swim. In today's video, we are diving deep into the ultimate plant ideas for your pool area landscaping that will instantly elevate your backyard into a breathtaking 5-star private resort. Pool area landscaping refers to the strategic selection and placement of flora immediately surrounding a swimming pool to enhance its beauty, privacy, and overall functionality. Choosing the right poolside plants is one of the most critical design decisions a homeowner can make because the microclimate around a pool is uniquely challenging. The surrounding ground is frequently subjected to splashing chlorinated or salt water, intense reflected sunlight, and high radiant heat from concrete decking. By choosing specific, resilient varieties, such as chlorine-tolerant ornamental grasses, non-invasive palms, or mess-free succulents, you establish a microclimatic buffer that thrives in these harsh conditions. Investing time into proper pool landscaping not only provides essential privacy from nosy neighbors and softens harsh architectural lines, but it also increases your property's value while transforming a standard swimming facility into a deeply relaxing natural sanctuary. Now that you have a pool, turn it into a luxurious oasis by surrounding it with luscious plants. But you'll want to carefully choose the plants that will go near a swimming pool or hot tub. Something that is attractive at 2 feet tall can grow quickly and drop leaves and debris into your pool in just a couple of years. Research the best plants, shrubs, trees, and ornamentals that will survive and even thrive when planted close to a pool full of splashing chlorinated or salt water. Whether you are choosing plants for privacy or ornamentation, there are 3 main considerations when choosing plantings for your pool area. First, they should unify, balance, and fit in with the rest of your landscaping and home. Second, they should be easy to maintain and safe for children and pets. Third, they should be able to grow well in your native climate or microclimates on your property. And here are 16 plant selections for landscaping your pool area that will bring color, texture, and scent to your backyard. One, succulents. Succulents are increasing in popularity and are integrated with other plants in both front and backyards. That means they can be found growing poolside, where they can be foundation plants that are evergreen or whatever color they are, sculptural in form and hardy. Just make sure succulents planted near pools and spas don't have spines, thorns, or needles that can accidentally injure children and pool goers in bathing suits. Many succulents don't have spines, or if they do, they can be small. Larger succulents with spines can be planted at the back of a border or raised bed. 2. Ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses can be low maintenance and visually striking near pools. These types of grasses are not the long grasses with which you may be familiar. Ornamental grasses include sedges, rushes, and bamboo. 3. Vines. Vines climb over walls and weave their way through fences and trellises. Most are fast growers and can quickly help to form a sort of privacy screen around pool areas, or can be trained as living roofs on arbors and pergolas. 4. Trees. Carefully choose trees that will grow near a swimming pool, keeping in mind ultimate growth height and width. While considering potential trees, look for ones that won't make a mess as they drop their leaves, flowers, or fruit, so avoid anything with buds. One perfect choice, a fruitless olive tree. 5. Drought-tolerant plants. If you live in a dry climate or region experiencing drought, then landscape with watering needs in mind. Many plants are drought-tolerant, especially after roots have been established in the grounds for a year or so with regular watering. 6. Container gardens. Container gardens can be beautifully arranged with plants that have similar care needs. They can also be moved around depending on the time of year, unexpected weather, and special occasions. Choose hardy plants that follow the thriller, filler, and spiller design technique, or one type of plant that stands tall in containers. 7. Fragrant plants. Nothing smells better than the lovely fragrance that comes from nature itself, specifically sweet-scented vines, shrubs, and trees. Plant a few near the pool, patio, along a path, or where you dine outdoors. Some plants become more fragrant during the evening hours. 8. Tropical plants. Many pool owners dream of a pool surrounded by tropical landscaping as an ideal private backyard retreat. If the climate permits, a pool area can appear more tropical with the addition of tropical plants. 9. Cactus. While their spines are not something you and your guests want to come in contact with, a cactus can be striking and natural near a pool in desert regions. Plant them in raised beds or containers far enough away from the pool and center of activity. 10. Ground covers. If you prefer plantings with a bit more oomph than turf, ground coverings can offer texture and color around a pool. Most ground coverings are not considered fancy or temperamental, and they are meant to be trampled. Try the pretty and elegant creeping Jenny as a ground cover. It grows super fast, and you can also use it to climb a nearby trellis. Scotch moss, another ground cover, is soft to walk on and looks elegant between pavers around a pool or path. 11. Evergreens and hedges. Evergreens and hedges aren't just for your front yard. Using them to landscape a pool area can offer many benefits to your backyard experience. Evergreen hedges such as boxwoods provide privacy, they're easy to maintain, or you can even clip them into playful shapes. When they grow larger, an evergreen conifer, such as false cypress, can offer shade from the scorching summer sun. In addition, most evergreens and hedges won't litter your pool water, but watch for some arborvitae that may shed needles in the fall before the pool is covered. 12. Wildflowers. If you prefer a casual landscape look around your pool, opt for a wildflower garden. These perennial blooms will bring a charming cottage style to your backyard. They also can attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and beneficial insects such as ladybugs. Many popular wildflowers, such as Joe Pye weed and blue vervain, will attract bees, so plant those perennials far from lounge chairs and poolside. Wildflowers look beautiful when they are planted on the horizon of a landscape, perhaps to the back or bordering the sides of your pool, so you can float and gaze at the garden as it sways in the breeze. 13. Rock gardens. If you have a pool with water features including rocks, stepping stones, and other detailed hardscaping, consider landscaping with lovely, fragrant, and colorful flowers, such as creeping phlox, which peek out of crevices and cracks. Succulents, such as hens and chicks, also look natural around a pool's rock garden. Look for plants that love the heat and tolerate some drought, since the rocks may become hot if they're located around the pool and in the direct sun. 14. Moon garden plants. If you love nighttime swimming and entertaining, consider planting a moon garden that shines bright with blooms in the dark. White, yellow, and other very pale plants will naturally reflect the light from the moon, so that the garden looks like it's glowing. Look for mid to late blooming plants that show through the summer. Try tropical night blooming red or white water lilies known as antares. Other popular night bloomers also include moonflower and foamflower. 15. Lawn grasses. There's nothing more refreshing in the summer than walking barefoot through soft, lush green grass to get to a crystal clear pool. Sometimes all you need to beautifully landscape a classic square or rectangular pool is to surround it with large swathes of manicured lawn. A lawn also provides a soft and cool place to fall if you have kids who insist on running around the pool area. Lawn grass will need a lot of maintenance and water to thrive under the hot summer sun. Consider tough and drought-tolerant grasses, such as Bermuda grass and Korean grass. 16. Insect-repelling herbs. Besides citronella candles and insect sprays, there are natural insect repellent herbs you can plant around your pool for pest-free fun. Though you may not want to plant too much mint around your pool unless you relish the scent, try these other fragrant favorites: lavender, rosemary, basil, ornamental onion. Creating the perfect poolside paradise doesn't happen by accident. It takes a thoughtful balance of durability, cleanliness, and structural beauty. By incorporating the plant ideas we explored today, you can ensure your backyard remains a pristine, low-maintenance haven that thrives all summer long. Remember to always opt for species with strong, non-invasive root systems and minimal leaf drop, so you can spend less time skimming debris out of the water and more time actually enjoying your view. With the right green framework in place, your pool will look stunning, feel incredibly private, and serve as the perfect backdrop for unforgettable summer memories. If these ideas inspired you to upgrade your pool landscaping, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert outdoor styling tips. We want to hear from you. Which of these plants is your absolute favorite? Or what are you currently growing around your pool? Drop your thoughts, questions, or your own backyard success stories in the comments below. We read and reply to every single one. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming design transformations. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.